Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be giving you a chicken chow mein video that I hope you guys enjoy. Now, most of the ingredients are not original because I couldn't get them at my corner store at the time. So guys, I'm going to add my twist to this recipe. So here you see I have my purple cabbage, some seasoning, my soya sauce. I have a dark soya sauce that I'll be adding to, my carrot, my ginger, my onion, my scallion, and yes, the chicken. What would it be without the chicken? And some olive oil. So guys, let's get this show started. So guys, now I'm just going to add my seasoning to the chicken, which is my baking soda, black pepper, all purpose, and a little salt for taste. So I'm just going to add that to the mix. Add my soya sauce. Today I'm gonna be gloveless, so I'm just gonna rub it in. And voila! Now let's take this over to the stove. Guys, now I'm going to just add the oil to the skillet. And let it heat up. And so while I'm doing that, I'm just going to boil my noodles. As I said, guys, I did not get the original noodles, so I'm using a regular small noodles. So I'm just gonna let these cook. Because I went to the shop especially for the noodle that was used in this recipe. Okay guys, so the stove is hot now. Guys, now I'm going to be adding the chicken. Guys, while I let this cook, so guys, I'm going to start the rest of the recipe. I'll check back with you in about 3 minutes. Okay guys, now I'm back. I'm turning them over after 3 minutes, and you see they're getting the colors that I want them to get for this recipe. Now guys, as I said before, if you can't find stuff that you want to make your recipe or to replicate a recipe, you can add your twist to it, as I've always said in my videos. So I couldn't find the noodles, so I just decided to use the regular small noodles. Now guys, I'm just going to take this off the stove now and clean the pot and get ready for the vegetables. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay guys, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, now I'm back. Now the noodles are ready. So guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place the noodles in some ice cold water. As I said, I'm trying to replicate how they do it. Might not be with all the original ingredients, but I'm trying my best guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So guys, I'm just going to soak them and get them firm for this ingredients. So while this is being done, I'm going to start the other process. Please guys, stay tuned. So guys, now I'll be sauteing my herbs. I'm gonna saute them for about 5 minutes. So you know I'm not going to add the cabbage to the dish as yet because it's gonna add too much water. So I'm going to cook it separate. So what I'll do now is just saute these herbs and place them in a dish, and then I'll do the carrots and the cabbage. Oops, I almost forget my garlic. I placed it in the refrigerator, but I forget about it. You can smell that mixture of the scallion, the onion and the ginger, and then the garlic add to this recipe. So guys, now that I've finished sauteing this, what I'm going to do is add this to a dish, and then I'm going to do the onions. Now for the cabbage and the carrot. Big. Just gonna saute it. Now guys, for this recipe it's kind of tedious because you can't cook everything in the pot at once. You have to be cooking the ingredients separately, and then you go back and then add everything. So it's kind of tedious for this ingredients. I'm trying to follow the exact way how they do it, and this is a Chinese dish. So guys, when next you see me, I'll be adding all the ingredients together. Okay guys, I'm back now. I'm going to be combining all the ingredients that I've done before to what I have now. Oh, those beautiful colors. Now guys, now I'm going to add the noodles that I've placed on paper towel to dry off. So now I'm going to place the noodles in the dish, or in the pot should say, not dish. Oh my. Guys, I hope you like this recipe. Please remember to thumbs up the video and leave a comment and tell me what you think about my recipes. Alright, I have some more soy sauce to add to this dish. Now I'm going to add the chicken. This is the difficult part now, where I'm going to try to rub everything together. I added my soy sauce with a little sugar. Oh God, guys, I can't manage the pot here. See, oh man, yeah, this is the kitchen, so you're gonna see everything. So guys, sorry about the mess. I'm going to try the spatula. I'm just trying to combine everything together. But as you see, I'm making a mess of the stove, but that is understandable when you're cooking. I hope you guys enjoying this video so far. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. And please to drop a comment. You see those lovely colors that this dish had. And as I said guys, I add some more soy sauce off camera with a little bit of sugar. Woo! I'm gonna give you guys a close-up soon. I'm trying to get the vegetable, the chicken and everything incorporated. Guys, here's the close-up. Now guys, what I want you to do is I want you to join me at the table. Okay guys, here's my finishing dish. I hope you guys enjoy. Now what I found out guys is that the purple cabbage had a different color to the spaghetti because of the color. So you see that color, purplish color. So guys, I want to thank you for watching to the end of the video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I also have a playlist which you guys can just sit and watch and enjoy some older videos of where I'm coming from up to this point. Thank you guys for watching.